So very hard question. Second term, 8th term, and 44 term of AP form the first three term of GP. Okay, so the second term is the A plus D. Okay, because for AP, Tn is A plus n minus 1D. And then 8th term is A plus 7D. And the 44 term is A plus 43D. Okay, so this will form an GP. Okay, and then the first term A is 1. Okay, so it's 1 plus D, 1 plus 7D, 1 plus 43D. Common difference D is greater than 0. So we need to show that the common difference is 5. So because it is a GP, then GP we have the T2 over T1 equal to T3 over T2. Okay, this is the common ratio. So we have the 1 plus 7D over 1 plus D is equal to the 1 plus 43D over 1 plus 7D. Okay, so cross multiply 1 plus 7D square will be the 1 plus 43D multiply with 1 plus D. So 1 plus 14D plus 49D square equal to 1 plus D plus 43D plus 43D square. So 49 minus 43, then we have the 6D square, and then plus this one is 49 minus 43, then we have 6, and then 14 minus 44, then minus 30 D, and then this one cancel. Okay, equal to 0, and we do the factorization 60, then D minus 5 equal to 0. So 60 equal to 0, D equal to 0. This one rejected because is D is positive. Then D is equal to 5. Sure. Okay. Okay. So B, find the fifth term of the GP. Okay. So we have the A is 1. So 1 plus 5. Then it is 6. And then 1 plus 7 times 5. Then 35 plus 1, 36. And then 1 plus 43 times 5. Then 43 times 5 plus 1, then it's 216. Okay, so this is a GP. This is the GP. Okay, so for this GP, A is 6, R is 36 over 6, 6. So the fifth term will be the 6, and then 6 to the power 4. Okay, so we have 6 power 5 here, then 7776 is the answer. Okay, next, explain whether or not the sum to infinity exists. Okay, so we know that the sum of infinity is a over 1 minus r, and we have one restriction, that is the r must be between -1 and 1. But over here, the 6 is greater than 1. Okay, therefore the sum to infinity does not exist. Does not exist. Okay. Uh, So we if you want to write in sentence, then you can say that the sum to infinity does not exist for this GP because the common ratio is greater than 1, which is the r equal to 6. Okay. the A2, I missed it just now. So from the sum to the first 20 term of this AP. So for this AP, we know that the A is 1 and the D is 5. So S20 will be 20 over 2 and then 2A plus 19D. Okay, so this is 10. So 19 times 5 plus 2, 97. So 970. Okay, 970. Okay, that.